Hello everyone. So let's now solve one problem from the electronics. So in the problem, it is given that in the following op-amp circuit, V in and V out represent the input and the output signals respectively. So this is the op-amp circuit which contains two op-amp of 1 and op-amp 2. So it has a pairs of resistance and the input AC voltage V in. So it have a positive amplitude as well as negative amplitude. So we can write positive and negative over here. So, and if the input voltage is V, so at this node, the input voltage V will be appearing, right? Similarly, due to the virtual ground condition, the input signal V in will be also appearing here, right? V in. And if I1 is the current across this R1, so I1 can be written as V in by R1, right? And I1 is also flowing from this one. Right, so voltage at this point can be written as V in plus I1, V in plus I1 R2, right? So we can calculate the V in, and I1 already have calculated V in by R1 into R2. So we can write that 1 plus R2 by R1 into V in. So the voltage over this node is given by 1 plus R2 by R1 into Vm. Similarly, if the current I is flowing across it, right? So if if the voltage over here is V, then here the voltage will also be, right? And as the resistance both are equal, so at this node, as there will be no current over here at this node, the voltage will be V in by 2, right? So due to the virtual ground condition also, so at this node, the voltage will be V in by 2, right? If I is the current across this part or path, so we can write that I, so I is flowing over here. So we can write in this form that I 1 plus R2 by R1 into V in minus V in by 2, right, from this point divided by this resistance is R2. This resistance is R2. So divided by R3, right? So at last, the V out can be calculated as V in by 2 minus I R1, right? This one. So if we put V in by 2 minus I R1 means its value is already calculated over here. R2 by R1 into V in minus V in by 2, right? V into R1 into R1. So if we calculate this so it will become minus half 1 plus R1 by R2 into V in. That is V out will come in this expression. Right. So let's see the first statement. First statement tells that V out and V in out of it, yeah, there exists a negative sign over here. So V out and V in are in phase, right? First option is correct. Next is the gain is unity when R1 equal to R2. So if we make R1 R2, so 2 cancels, yeah, it is unity. So second one is also correct. Next is V out is in phase with V in, right? So this will not correct, and V out is 0. So V out is not 0, so this is also not correct. Right? Hope you have understood the problem and its solution. So thank you for now.